to Utah's Garage. Hi, what's up? How you doing? Don't forget to subscribe, click it. Don't forget. Anyway, what am I doing? Here, I'll show you. I am measuring this very hastily because I'm trying to just measure a piece of. Oh, there. Hold on. And this one. There you go. Shit. Come on. Come on. 21 and. Oh. They're all here. There you go. Now, I'm going to attempt to draw a line in it. Attempt, I should say. See these things? Come in handy. These ridiculous little pieces of blade left over. Draw a little crooked line here and cut it off. What is this for? It's for my fabulous new toolbox that I just purchased at Lowe's. Watch this thing be totally wrong and not fit. In case you haven't watched my previous video, I got a toolbox underneath my bench here. And I got a drawer liner that's too big, of course, and too long. Look at that. It almost fits, except for about a... How the hell did I measure this wrong? I don't know. I didn't measure it wrong, it's crooked. Weird. Very, very weird. Oh, let's get it out now. The end is not straight, first of all. Let's cut a little more off. Had I known this earlier on, I would have went to Horror Freight and bought a cheap drawer liner because I don't get expensive ones. I'm not that expensive. Oh, look at that. That fits. Cut about a 1/4 inch off the front, maybe. Or more. Or less. You know, it's fun looking at my head, eh? Yeah, black drawer with red liner. So there we go. Let's cut a little bit off here. At least they got little lines in them. So when you're cutting them, you can kind of cut straight down the little lane here. Come on, come on. Come on. I haven't put drawer liners in drawers for, I don't know, 15 years maybe. That was the last time I bought a toolbox, I think. Oh, there we go. I'll have to take the camera out here and show you. Now, what am I putting in these drawers? I have no idea. I probably should start by putting all the little things that are in the cup there, like maybe stuff like this. Put a measuring tool in there, a pair of scissors for one. I don't know if this is going to fit. I have this little piece. I don't care how it looks in the back. Maybe I'll just cut it off like this. Well, this is a leftover piece. You know what I used to use them for? I used to use them for, what do you call it? When I go pick up lumber, I need something to line my car with, and I just used a leftover piece just to line my car. This could be cut off like right about there, I guess. Right about here. I'd put it on my dash. I mean, we got a big sheet of this crap. Why not, right? There we go. There you go, the world's shittiest drawer liner. Woohoo! There we go. So yeah. Is this thing gonna stay in there? Is this thing moving? Okay, it's not moving. I should take this bar right out. Can't get it out though. Let me see. This door doesn't really close good, but hey, why not, right? Perfect. It's good for now. So I'll take the camera on. I'll show you. Hold on. Let me pause this. Pause the camera. So anyway, this is my new setup here. See, I got a flashy drawer liner here. I could throw this in there. We'll never throw these in there. No, these need to be out where I can use them. I got a little leftover piece in here, which doesn't really fit right, but hey, it's all I got right now, so bear with me. I have a top of a box here that is completely useless because, look, I can't open it. So I might get rid of this and move it back. I don't know, maybe not, but I like the way it looks. It's a completely unmolested Craftsman box that's going to get destroyed. So right now my bench is clean right here. Right there's a complete utter mess because all that shit was in there, including the At-Last power hacksaw, which is sticking on the other side. So anyway, maybe I'll move the power hacksaw somewhere else and buy another one for the other side. So anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to click like and subscribe and all that stuff. So, toodles.